We found him fainted under the staircase. We had no idea how he reached there. He was quite heavy, but Disha and I, we managed to lug him to the infirmary.
What happened?
Rahul, are you fine?
We got worried for him. Rahul, the wonder boy. He always found it difficult to have a say. At one time, everyone made fun of him, including me. He was not very popular, He was different.
Supreet, Niharika, Pramad, Aditya, Rahul, Vishnu, Ashwin, Shreyas.
One day, while we were in the library, we did not know that things were about to change.
Good morning, everybody. Our school is conducting a mono acting competition. So whoever is interested in participating in this competition should go to the auditorium and register their names. Thank you.
That a little dream would set in Rahul's heart and change everyone's outlook to life. And while the group of bullies would make every step difficult for him, there was something in him that kept him going. He was special. Initially, we had thought that he fainted due to fatigue, but soon we learned what had actually happened that day.
There's no point. You get something. And look, you'll just make a fool out of yourself. Let's go.
It was a strange feeling to understand what the bullies had done to him.
What will you, Atma? You don't even know how to speak properly. Rahul is just useless. You don't even know how to act properly.
You're just gonna stammer.
What are you gonna do with your life? Go die. Jerk. You're such a loser, Rahul. Are you still alive? I don't know why you even come here.
Rahul is a loser. Rahul is a loser. Rahul is a loser. Rahul is a loser. Rahul is a loser.
We felt bad, so we ensured that his entry was registered. And we made every reason that he does not give up. We were quite surprised by his focus and determination, his belief in what he had to tell the world in his own way. Every time we rehearsed with him, there was something to learn from, something inspiring, something that lifted our spirits.
Hey, what are you doing? Mommy, just rehearsing.
competition is Supreme! Rahul!
I feel Rahul is a true hero, not only because he won the trophy, but also because he chose to overcome so many hurdles that seemed impossible for him. I just want to say that next time, before you join all others and make fun of that one odd person around you, I dare you to be different. I am Diya. I spread light.